That's a long way down, isn't it? Escalators going down. That means that there's a basement. So the cream and red colour. So this is the lovely new station, which is not finished yet. So we've still got the two original tracks. So originally there was one track, now there's two tracks that leads to the old station, which is further down there. This place is absolutely massive. Beautiful. This really looks nice already, and it's not finished yet. Can't believe how, because the problem we had in the past was that people used to cross the tracks in the old station because it was just on the same level, so it's easy to do so, but not anymore. Beautiful. I don't know what's happening down there. Oh, okay, that's escalators going down. So that means that there's a basement, which I didn't know about. So maybe they're going to have a shopping complex in the basement. Who knows? So when I went downstairs just now, it didn't look like that there was much shopping space. So that would make sense. If they've got a basement, that possibly they could have shops down there. That would make sense. And cooler as well. Okay, nice. They've got lifts here on both sides. Great. Nice views as well. Can't wait for this to finish, because it will cut down the journey time quite substantially. You can hear people working away. Nice. So the cream and red colour, taken from the original station. That's good. Nice big platform. Looks a lot longer than the normal platform from the old station. I could be wrong. Great. Looking good. Nice. And look, you've got overlooking Soi 80 there. And then you have the original old station just further down, which is, it does have a shorter platform, definitely. And there's the track leading up to it. Wow. Didn't have that sign before. Now it is dangerous, because it's once you get down there, you wouldn't get up again. Great. Very impressed. I'm not sure if I can get down to the basement. I probably can't. Not even sure how to get down to the basement. Oh, okay. At some point, I'm probably going to get stopped. Okay, so there's you could get quite a few shops down here, I would imagine. Okay, so now I understand the why they've got the escalators to go underneath the tracks. and then it comes out down here. Okay, it's got a drop-off point there as well. Wow, this goes on further. Beautiful. So why? Everyone's still hard at work. Okay, I'm sure there's plenty of room for shops down there. Nice. Okay, that's interesting. Interesting decor. Parcel, luggage, toilets. Okay, I'm not sure what that is. There's a lounge area. Ticket office. People making good the wall. Nice to see. Professional touches there. Not just painting over it, they're making it good. First aid room, very nice. Parcel and luggage room. Oh, and they've got the police room. Let's hope no one's there. Okay, there's the police room. Not much is going to happen in there, it's a bit small. Very small. Okay, we're actually very close to the old station. It's just here, and there's a train on the track. So there we are. So that's the old station, and that's the new. Very nice. So what's going to happen to the old one? So I believe they're still going to keep the old one, and but probably be the slow trains. There was some talk at some stage that they were going to do turn it into a museum.
Starting December the 11th, 2023, Hua Hin's train operations will be transferred to the new Hua Hin Station, the State Railway of Thailand announced on Friday, November the 17th. Additionally, a new timetable will be implemented from December the 15th, 2023, to accommodate the double-track system. Earlier this week, the State Railway of Thailand announced the first of the services that will use the new dual-track line. However, it is now understood that from December the 15th trains to Hua Hin will now use the new elevated train station. The use of the dual-track train lines mean that trains between Hua Hin and Bangkok will now take approximately 3 hours, much quicker than is possible currently.
Very old diesel engines. It will be nice to actually see some proper trains rather than these big old diesel engines which give out a lot of smoke and are very, very loud and not too comfortable, I would imagine, as well. Reminds me of the trains when I was growing up. When I was very young, I used to see some of the old diesel trains, but I have not seen him for a very long time, apart from in Thailand. So there's the tracks which you can actually normally walk across. People do quite often. They take pictures and video and get snapshots of themselves in the middle of the track. But the old station is unforgettable, and I hope it still gets looked after. It's due a paint job by the looks of it. So that's Hua Hin to Bangkok. Probably a slow train. Well, it's going to be a slow train for definite. So my understanding is, with the new station, they're going to be fast trains. So they're going to be non-stop from Hua Hin to Bangkok. And the slower trains is going to stop, I think, at every station. So small in comparison.
Will depart in 3 minutes. Passengers traveling on this train, please board immediately.
So it would be nice to see some modern trains. Who knows how long it's going to be? So thanks for watching what's been doing in Thailand, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers. Goodbye.